Hello Bellas, I am so excited to be filming with the new Star Wars palette. This is the collab between Star Wars and Mother Pat McGrath. I just got it and could not wait to film with it and share with you Bellas what the colors are. And without blinding you, I'm going to share what they look like. Oh, let me take the plastic off. All right, so here are the colors. Beautiful, very, very vibrant, very beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can create a look using as many of these colors as I can. There's only one matte shade in here, and that is Venomous Boy, which is this color right here. That's Venomous Boy. This is Cosmic K, Venomous Void. This last one here is called Saturnella. That's this one. I can't wait to share that color with you Bellas. That is gorgeous. Smoke Amethyst, that's also a pretty color. This one is Odyssey, and this is Bronze Nebula. I'm gonna do swatches for all of them at the end, but let's go because I am chomping at the bit to use this palette. So as I said, there's only one matte shade in here. Everything else is shimmer. So I'm gonna start with Venomous Boy, and this is my Rephr number 13 brush, and let's just get rid of that creasing in there. I did put a little bit of powder on, but I didn't put much because I want to get as much pigment onto my lids of this color as I can. So let's go in with this color. I'm going to start at the end, and then I'm going to slowly blend it up. I can already tell how pigmented this color is and how bold it is. So this is going to be gorgeous. It packs a punch, I'll tell you that. Same brush, the Rephr number 13. I'm going to dip into Smoke Amethyst, which is this color right here. Smoke Amethyst. And I'm just going to tap that right into the outer corner just to smoke that up a little bit more. Okay, and then in the corner, I'm going to take the number 14 brush by Rephr, and I'm going to dip into Odyssey. That's this color here. And I'm going to put that right next to the smoked color. In the center, I'm going to use my number 2. This is the packing brush by Rephr. And I'm going to go into the color Saturnella, which is this color. And I'm going to use my packing brush just to pack that into the center, overlapping a little bit with that Odyssey color. but keeping it right in the center. And with that same brush, we're going to take Cosmic, which is that first color here, and we're going to put that in the inner corner. I'm going to go back in with Odyssey because it got lost a little bit. Build that back up. And with that last color here, that gold, it's called Bronze Nebula. I'm going to take that and use that as my inner corner highlight. And then for under the eye, I'm going to go back in with the first color that I used, which was the Venomous Void. Same pencil brush, the rougher 3, and I'm going to run that right across the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that Smoke Amethyst color that we used for the corner, and I'm just going to run that right underneath to smoke it out even more. Okay, we're going to line the lashes using my liquid eyeliner from Ilamasqua. So here's the completed look. We topped it off with the Star Wars Lip Fetish Lip Balm in Nude Astral. It also comes in this limited edition Star Wars lip container. And this is what the color looks like. So cute. So I absolutely love this look. I think it is great and very festive. Your corner highlight got lost again. So let me build that up. That was the Bronze Nebula. So we're just going to build that right back in. And I didn't even put lashes on. This is just mascara. Shido Controlled Chaos Mascara Ink. I still have the sample from Sephora on that. So I used every single color in here. Once again, these are the colors. And now I will do a swatch for you guys. And now, Bellas, here are the swatches. Once again, there are no descriptions on her website, so I'm just going to share with you the color and then swatch. This is Cosmic. Venomous Void. Saturnilla or Saturnella. Second row, Smoked Amethyst. Odyssey. And last we have Bronze Nebula. So there are the swatches. And now I'll swatch for you the lipstick. Once again, this is what the lipstick looks like. This is Nude Astral. It's on my lips, but here is a swatch. Very pretty. So Bellas, that's it. That is the Star Wars first collectible that I received, the Dark Galaxy. I will of course let you know when the other one is here, and I will do the same thing, try to do a look with all the colors, swatch, and then share them with you. Until next time, this is your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Deuces.